Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings and features for your Laresar Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Specifically, the model here is the Mars 01. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First thing you have to do is enter into the app and select the correct vacuum. So here's the Mars 01. We've already had this run so it could actually make and populate a map for us. So we have our map right here, and you'll notice center to the right-hand side of the screen, we have a restricted area option. This is going to be the first map feature we'll go over. So with our map here, we can choose to add restricted areas. So we don't want it to mop or clean in this area. Great, that's in red. And in blue, we have no mopping areas. So just blue is going to be no mopping. Red's going to be no vacuuming or mopping. So if you have carpets, rugs, things like that, you can add multiple areas. We also have virtual walls that we can add. So we toggled over to virtual wall and then just drag, drop, resize, and reposition as needed. And you can add multiple walls just like you can multiple areas. So it's really nice that we can build out and fine tune our map to make sure it's not going to navigate or clean in areas we don't want or near objects or things that it could get tangled up on right here in our home environment. We can let it know exactly where it can and can't go. Next, we have our map edit functionality here. That's right below the setting that we just looked at, where we can merge and split rooms. We can reset the map to the default, which is what you're seeing here. Then we can rename things, custom cleaning options, and we can adjust the order of clean depending on how you want the vacuum to navigate around your house. So first up, if we want to merge rooms, we can select two. And we could hit merge. And now we have everything merged into one room right there. We could also split a room. So let's split that room. And then we have this line here that we can adjust. So let's split this one right there and then hit split. And look at that. The room has been split. Reset resets the map. Here's our naming option so we can name a room. What do you want it to be named? You can add your own 18 characters if you prefer. Then we have the custom cleaning option. So let's choose this room. What do we want it to have? Let's do super strong suction, water level high, and clean it 2 times. And then you can hit confirm. And that will change on the map for you. So you can go around room by room depending on what you want. Really a nice, convenient feature there. And then we have the order. You can choose the order. Maybe you want to go here first, and then here, and then back here, and then there, and then there. You can hit save, and that will be all set up for you as well. The next mapping feature I want to show you is actually at the bottom here. There's 3 different settings that relate to the map. The first one's pin and go. So we can drag and drop on the map where you want the vacuum to go. So we can do that right there. We can select different rooms to clean on the map, and then you can have it start cleaning just those rooms. And then we can choose different zones within our map of where we want it to clean. And you can add multiple zones, which is pretty cool. So you can do all of that right here as well. Next, to look at all of our maps, we have to go to our setting option here, and then you can manage rooms. And this takes us to our current map and the other map that we already have saved on our device. So this does support multi-level mapping. And you can choose the map to use right here or delete maps that you no longer need. And then lastly, within our settings again, we have one more map to look at that's under the record option here. This is our cleaning history. This will show us a nice detailed map too of previous cleans. So look at that. It even tells you the settings that were initiated for the room, color coded. We have our row by row navigation, how it was able to cover every inch of the floor, right? You can see where it did or didn't go. Like here, that's a kitchen table and chairs. I know exactly what that is. Pretty nifty, right? So you get that whole cleaning history here right at your fingertips. So the mapping features are what you would expect with a budget-friendly LIDAR-equipped RoboVac. Simple, easy to use, drag and drop, and fairly customizable.